egoless living is a very deep introspection. It's an ongoing process. It's definitely connected to humility and gratitude, but it's a very inward journey. In the time we joined IIT and during IIT, I think we had our own collective ego for sure. It's only when you realize that ego builds a wall with others that you are willing to suspend it. And at a much deeper level, ego also brings with it a lot of misery. It brings a lot of pressure, because ego is not about superiority only. Ego is about being separate from somebody else. There is a joy in surrendering this myth or illusion of being separate.